Hey, welcome back to the channel. It is Christmas Eve, and I wanted to wish all of you a Merry Christmas, no matter where you are in the world, no matter how you celebrate this time. I hope it finds you with just surrounded by people that you love, and I wanted to thank you for this year, for what what's happening on the channel here, all of the watch time. It really is humbling to me that you spend your time. I know how valuable that is, but you spend it watching my videos and watching my build and commenting, and I just really enjoy the sense of community that we have on this channel. So in a couple days I'll hop back on. I'm going to make a video, but I'm going to make a video about filling out my registration documents, so you'll get to see what that process looks like. I've got the EAA's kit, which is actually really awesome, and so I'll share that with you, which will be most meaningful to those of you in the United States, of course. But anyway, you get to see the whole process, and yeah. So take care of yourselves, be safe, and I will catch you later.